Now we are discussing about cooking utensils. In that today we are discussing about air fryer. It is mostly using by so many housewives, especially the name of the company is Philips air fryer. The measurement is HD 9200 by 90. Uses up to 90% less fat, 1400 watt capacity, 4.1 liter with rapid air technology. And next special feature temperature control. Advanced features are special feature temperature control, programmable. Product dimensions are 33.8 diameter into 33.8 width into 33.5 h centimeters, and color is available in black, white, etc. And capacity is 4.1 liters and material is plastic. What is about this item, air fryer? About air fryer, Philips air fryer HD 9200 by 90, large, 4.1 liter, lets you cook great tasting food with up to 90% less fat. Patented rapid air technology with unique starfish design. Pan ensures evenly fried results without flipping the food. Fry, bake, grill, roast and even reheat. And next point is 60 minutes timer with auto off. Wide temperature control from 80 degrees C to 200 degrees C. Extra long 1.8 m cord length for easy placement in your kitchen. Dishwasher safe and easy to clean. This product is air fryer. Not just fries. Now make aloo tikkis, roast chicken, grilled vegetables, chocolate cakes, muffins and made more dishes. Download the Nutri app from Google Play Store or Apple App Store to discover hundreds of Indian and global recipes. Philips is India's #1 air fryer brand. That is, next point is, why is the air fryer worth it? Bottom line, air fryers have been trending for years, but they are only worth the budget if they fit your lifestyle. If you have a large family, it will take too long to make a meal to satisfy a crowd. But for couples or people looking for ways to cook quick meals with less oil, it could be the perfect kitchen upgrade. Around 2 to 5 people of the family, it is comfortable air fryer. And the next point is, what are the benefits of using an air fryer? 7 biggest benefits of owning an air fryer. Healthier cooking. The single most important factor for most people buying an air fryer is the prospect of healthier cooking. Fast, safe and easy to use. Next, crisp and crunchy food. Next, it is very versatile. And next, faster than oven cooking. Reheat. Next, reheat foods with ease. And next is easy to clean. And next point is, what is the first thing I should cook in my air fryer? Whenever we test out a new air fryer, French fries are the very first recipe we make. Homemade French fries won't feel like so much of a chore with this machine and might actually become a regular occurrence once you get the hang of it. And next point is, what are the best foods to cook in an air fryer? Veggies like broccoli, Brussels sprouts, potatoes, zucchinis, mushrooms and onions, and cauliflower all turn out incredible in the air fryer. You can also make your main dish in the air fryer. It works magic with proteins like tofu, chicken drumsticks, meatballs, pork chops, fried chicken, even steak. And the next point is, does air fryer need oil? While using oil is a second nature while cooking in the oven or in the stove top, air fryers don't always require it. Some foods you cook in your air fryer already have oil, and any excess oil can make your food too greasy. Dear friends, I am also making in a compact way to explain you in a simple form. Next point is, can I put frozen food in my air fryer? Whether you are cooking finger foods for a party or serving up snacks for the fam, air fryers are perfect for cooking frozen foods. Find cook times and temperatures quickly with this convenient, easy to use chart. Air frying is equivalent to cooking made simple. Next point is, can I fry onions in an air fryer? You can sub in whichever raw onion variety you have on hand. I have used white onions, Vidalia onions, yellow onions, and even red onions. Toss the sliced onions with a little bit of olive oil or avocado oil, seasoning and water. Then air fryer until they are golden brown and slightly crisp around the edges. And the next point is, why do air fryers smoke so much? Smoke coming from your air fryer can be attributed to excess grease, food buildup, food being too crowded, or it possibly needs a thorough cleaning. If you experience abnormal smoke, you should unplug your appliance right away and then inspect it to determine the source. And the next point is, what frozen foods are good in air fryer? Here are some of the best frozen food for the fryer that be cooked quickly and easily. They include fries, hash browns, tartar, toads, Trader Joe's, snack like samosa and gyoza, chicken snacks like popcorn, chicken and nuggets, egg rolls, and kid-friendly snacks like pizza rolls. This is the information regarding air fryers. So many uses are there with this air fryer. It is easy to cook and easy to use also, and easy to clean also. So in every home, air fryer should be there, but I should not say that should be. But if air fryer is there in your home, it is comfortable to you in so many ways. Wishing you all the best.